Hey, travel fam. Ever found yourself overpacking for a weekend trip and ending up with a suitcase that's bursting at the seams? Or worse, getting hit with those dreaded checked bag fees? Well, worry no more. Today, I'm sharing the ultimate carry-on packing list. Everything you need for a perfect weekend getaway, all in one small bag. Let's dive in. First things first, you need the right bag. My golden rule? A small rolling suitcase plus a personal item, like a stylish backpack or tote. This combo gives you maximum space without breaking airline rules. Trust me, you do not want to be that person struggling to fit their bag in the overhead bin. Pro tip, check your airline's size restrictions. Alright, let's get packing like a pro. For clothing essentials, pack 2 to 3 outfits with versatile pieces that mix and match. Add a light jacket or cardigan for layering, 1 pair of comfy shoes, and sleepwear and underwear. Roll them to save space. Don't forget a swimsuit if your destination calls for it. Rolling clothes saves space, but for wrinkle-free outfits, try bundle wrapping. It's a game changer. And packing cubes? Organized bliss, now toiletries. A clear toiletry bag with mini shampoo, conditioner, body wash, all under 3.4 ounces. Toothbrush, travel-size toothpaste, skincare essentials, deodorant, perfume samples, and a mini first aid kit. TSA won't confiscate your stuff if it's in a clear bag and under 3.4 ounces. You're welcome. For tech and extras, grab a tech organizer and pack your phone and charger, portable power bank, noise-canceling headphones, a universal adapter if traveling internationally, and an e-reader or book for those long airport waits. And don't forget, snacks. Because airport food is expensive and hangry travelers are not cute. Your personal item is prime real estate. Fill it with things you'll need during the flight. Passport or ID, boarding pass, reusable water bottle, neck pillow, eye mask, hand sanitizer, disinfecting wipes, and a foldable tote bag for souvenirs or last-minute shopping. And that's it, friends. With this ultimate carry-on packing list, you'll breeze through your weekend trip without the stress of overpacking. Now go out there and explore the world, one carry-on at a time. Where are you heading next? Let me know in the comments. Happy travels.